It is 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun is slowly coming up. The sky is soft orange and pink. Usually, the house is very quiet at this time. But today, the house is full of noise, because today is holiday day. The family is going on a trip to London. David is sweating. He pushes the suitcase with his hands. He tries to close the zipper. David.
Why won't it close? I push and push, but it opens again.
The zipper moves a little, then... Pop! The bag opens again. Just then, Sarah walks into the room. She looks fresh and ready. She has a notebook in her hand. Sarah smiles when she sees David.
David, what did you pack? Did you pack the kitchen sink too?
David wipes his forehead.
No, very funny, Sarah. I only packed my shoes and my hairdryer and maybe 3 books.
David, we are going for 4 days, not 4 months.
But what if I finish the first book on the plane? What if the hotel has no TV?
Okay, Mr. Reader. Now sit on the bag. Your weight might help.
David slowly sits on the suitcase. The bed goes down. The bag looks flat. David looks like a frog sitting on a lily pad.
Oof. Okay, zipper, please work.
He pulls the zipper carefully. Zzz. The zipper closes. David smiles proudly.
Yes, I won.
Lily and Harry run into the room.
I am ready for the pool! Is the pool inside the airplane? Hari, there is no pool on the plane, only seats.
Oh, that's boring.
Sarah claps her hands.
Everyone, shoes on. The taxi is outside. Beep, beep. Move, move.
The taxi starts moving.
Daddy, are we there yet?
No, Harry. We just left.
I'm bored. Let's play I Spy.
Okay. I spy something red.
Harry guesses a tomato. Sarah laughs and points at a lady's red dress.
My turn. I spy something huge and metal.
Harry jumps up.
The airport!
Correct. Look, there it is.
The big airport appears ahead. They walk to the check-in desk. David puts the blue suitcase on the scale. Thump. Beep, beep.
Oh no, this bag is 25 kilos. The limit is 20.
David is shocked. Sarah crosses her arms.
David, open the bag.
David opens it. He takes out a thick winter coat.
David, it's summer.
They take the coat out. The man smiles at Harry.
Your bag is fine now, and Teddy flies for free.
At security, they put bags on the tray. Harry holds his bear tight.
Put the bear in the machine, please.
Will it hurt him?
No, Harry. Watch.
The bear comes out the other side.
Survive!
David walks through the metal detector. David checks his pocket. He pulls out a spoon. Everyone laughs. They run to the gate on the moving walkway.
It's a magic floor!
Soon, they get on the plane.
All set, everyone?
Yes, we're ready.
This is so exciting! Wow, look outside! Look! The cars are like ants!
David smiles and holds Sarah's hand.
We made it. The holiday starts now.